In the future, I hope to be the educator that students look up to and want to become when they're older. I want my students to go home excited about school the next day and talk about their favorite teacher being me. I will hopefully make a positive impact on their lives each and every day, whether it's school or just life related. I hope to shape their growing minds and help develop them into strong working ones that don't give up and are willing to persevere and move forward at all times. What I teach and show in the classroom is something that could potentially stick with the student for the rest of their lives. I want them to look back on their elementary school days and think about my classroom and think to themselves that they're glad they learned something that day. By being a part of this class this last semester, I was definitely able to get some beneficial insight to what it really takes to be a successful and leading teacher in the classroom. I just want to take the lessons and prompt questions that we received every week as guiding ways into my future classroom and role as a teacher for my students. Lastly, I just hope that my students will work toward their goals and that I'm a part of and play a role in them doing that and ultimately getting to where they want to be in life. Looking back at the different UDLs and UDLRAs that we have accomplished in this class have definitely given me good examples of effective classroom management for students and teachers. I have seen how teachers run their classrooms in inclusive and meaningful ways. I have also seen how students respond to the different ways of teaching and the way the classroom is organized. I will take these examples with me in the future and keep them in mind for when I am in control of my very own classroom and set of students. Personally, when I look back on my elementary school days, sometimes there are some really memorable moments which I want to be a part of for my students in the future.